may aninong parang lumipad sa bandang dulo.
Can you stop this red? それ止めてもらえますか?
Stop! Saka kamu jauh.
Nang biglang magloko at parang may humahatak pa kanan sa drone.
Hai lor, kembali lagi di Omyoji Team bersama gue, Auzan. Nah, jadi kita kembali ke Filipina gay lagi. Jadi Zarkaro Vlogs. Gue kemarin yang kita tonton yang orang Jepang itu di Mame Channel, itu kita nggak nemuin gitu konten dia yang ke terowongan gitu. Gue belum nemu lah gitu. Dan ternyata setelah gue cek gitu, ternyata di Zarkaro ini lumayan banyak konten dia tentang terowongan dan juga di Jepang guys. Nah, karena terowongan itu kan terkenal, lumayan terkenal guys di film horor Jepangnya atau di animenya itu banyak banget. Jadi oke, langsung aja lah kita langsung ke videonya. Oke guys, kita langsung play.
Grabe yung woods.
It was off again.
Did you know that you're dead? Are you trapped in here? Wait. Okay, do you want us to leave?
ここから出たいですか?
Said yes.
Isegami Tunnel was opened year 1897, located in Toyota Aichi, Japan, and this tunnel is 308 meters long. Marami nang namatay dito at ayon sa mga taong nakapunta, papasok pa lang ramdam mo na. Bukod pa doon, may mga nakaka-experience din ng glitch sa kanilang mga devices, mga signals at ilang mga photos sa kanilang mga camera. There's a rumor of a woman dressed in a white kimono appearing walking inside this tunnel. There's also these two little kids na nag-a-appear din daw sa loob at ilang mga sightings ng mga drawing na pambata. And the most creepy part is, year 1959, there's a massive typhoon na sumalanta sa lugar na ito. Nagbaha sa tunnel na pumatay sa isang ina at dalawang bata. Nalunod sila at dito nabuo ang mga spekulasyon na sila daw ang nagmumulto sa tunnel na to.
Asik juga lagunya.
This is a new tunnel, Isegami New Tunnel. Mga 1 kilometers na yan.
This is the new Isegami Tunnel. Mas malaki, mas malawak at mas madaming sasakyan na makakadaan. Dito din ang main road and unlike the old haunted Isegami Tunnel, wala masyadong dumadaan doon, halos nasa gitna ng gubat at makikita nyo mamaya ang pagkakaiba.
Medyo normal lang itong tunnel na to. But this tunnel was built in 1960s. Luma pa rin, pero mas luma yung pupuntahan natin ngayon to investigate and explore. So time check guys, it's already 12:05. So bakit tayo? Oh yeah, bakit tayo? Sobrang lamig din ngayon kasi at the moment it's 13 degrees outside guys. It's sobrang dilim. Walang ilaw dito.
Madilim, walang ibang sasakyan sa daan at bawat liko ay mukhang pare-pareho lang.
Grabe yung woods.
At dito na pala malapit yung tunnel.
Yeah, doon.
Ito tayo?
Oo. Look sa...
Right, so we're here. Oh shit. Medyo spooky nga, no?
Oke.
Dito. What? Let me go outside. Dito na kami sa tunnel. Look at that. This is scary as hell. So this
Seru sih jogging di sana.
tunnel was from 1897 pa. Kaya makikita nyo yung structure niya is sobrang luma na talaga and sobrang tight. Kasi nung panahon na yun, hindi pa naman uso yung mga
Gue sebenarnya yang konten Mame Channel tuh cari yang terowongan yang kayak gini. Cuma gue belum ketemu gitu yang orang Jepangnya yang ke terowongan gini.
Sasakyan,
Makanya gue coba ke orang Filipina.
yung mga kotse, hindi pa uso ng mga oras na yun. So yung uso pa lang na siguro Calesa, Calabao. Kaya ganito lang kakitid yung dinadaanan. Yun nga, nung time na nag-flood, meron ditong nanay tsaka dalawang bata na na-trap sa loob. And doon sila namatay.
This tunnel before create to this tunnel, they gonna kill the mga tao, yung sacrifice.
Oh, sama kayak Indonesia.
Numerous ghost spots around
Tumbal guys.
Japan
Tumbal pembangunan.
are famous for their use of hitobashira, or human pillars. This practice sees a live human being buried in the walls of something undergoing construction.
Oke, itu lebih menyeramkan sih. Oke, kalau misalnya kita itu tumbal proyek itu ditumbalkan hantunya. Ini manusia yang menumbalkan. Parah sih. Lagi masih hidup loh manusianya.
To ensure its successful completion.
At bigla akong naalala ang ilang ganitong kwento sa Pilipinas na kailangan mag-alay ng buhay para sa pundasyon ay tumibay. At bigla akong napatanong, normal ba ang ganitong gawain dati sa Asia? Sa structure niya pa lang sobrang luma na talaga. And this tunnel somehow reminds me of yung mga historical na mga tunnel sa Philippines. This tunnel reminds me of the Bonifacio War Tunnel, Japanese tunnel in Batanes, and Malinta Tunnel. At pumasok na kami sa loob.
Kecil banget anjir. Anjir kayak film horor hantu banget nih anjir. Vibe-nya.
At dito na nakwento ni Iwa yung dati nila experience na pumasok sila dito.
Last time, may tunog dito. Yung, di ba? Medyo mahaba dito, di ba? From here.
You use that.
When I pumasok sa dito, merong tunog sa ano.
Oh shit.
Yeah,
Legit?
last time. Oh.
At ito yung nangyari sa kanila.
Berat katanya. Wah. Oh iya sih. Kayak bukan kayak apa sound effect, cuma manual gitu. Dari situnya dia teng gitu. Ini kayaknya lebih jelas pakai headphone sih.
Nakalabas naman kami nang walang nararamdaman. So when we pass by the tunnel guys, normal lang naman yung feeling. Medyo eerie lang siya dahil siguro alam ko yung history ng tunnel. Nakaka-claustrophobic lang siya kasi medyo masikip talaga yung tunnel. Kaya sinubukan kong pumasok mag-isa. Alright guys, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go inside this tunnel. Shit. What's creepy in here kasi yung echo is maririnig mo hanggang dulo ng tunnel. At habang palalim ako ng palalim, ay palakas ng palakas na rin ang aking nararamdaman. So dito guys, is ramdam ko na dito. Medyo may nafe-feel ako something na mabigat. Dito ba? And I wonder kung saan yung nagpapakita na babae and yung bata. At maya-maya pa ay may narinig akong tumawa.
Oh ya ada. Ini headphone aja yang kedengaran nih. Dikit banget gitu. Benar-benar ada kejauhan. Dan nggak gema ya.
Parang may narinig akong tumawang bata. Parang
What?
Parang may narinig akong tumawang bata. Parang
Oh enggak, suara dia.
hello? Kaya naisipan kong mag-hello dahil baka may ibang tao talaga. Konbanwa. Pero imposibleng may tao dahil alas 12 na ng gabi. Kaya naisipan kong mag-isang magtanong.
Is there any spirits here with me right now?
Hindi ko alam kung parang pinaglalaroan ako ng isip ko, pero parang may something dito.
Kaya gue ngerasain juga sih.
Hindi ko alam kung nakakita ba ako ng anino o guni-guni ko lang. Pero isang bagay ay yung pakiramdam sa loob ay parang may nakatingin sa'yo.
Nenek Granny ada nggak ya di dandan gitu? Turbo Baba. Granny kan nenek artinya.
Yep, I'm having goosebumps right now. Look at that.
Tapi arwahnya ini masih belum keluar sih.
Kaya agad na akong bumalik para simulan na ang investigation.
So ngayon papasok kami. Hello?
Ini alatnya banyak baru sih.
So, alright guys, so nandito na kami sa gitna ng tunnel. Hindi pa siya mismo gitna, but almost middle ng tunnel.
Niready ko na yung mga gagamitin ko for this ghost investigation at pagkatapos mag-ready ay agad na kaming nagsimula.
So, kalat-kalat guys yung equipments. So, may REM pod doon.
Pagturo ko sa REM pad ay bigla siya nag-alarm.
So, may REM pod doon.
Pero hindi ko na lang pinansin dahil ayaw ko rin matakot yung mga kasama ko.
Takot.
Nagdagdag ako ng mga ghost equipments tulad nitong ghost ball para kung may dumaan man at gumalaw ay umilaw ito. Magsisimula na sana kami ng investigation. Sinasabi kong ayaw ko muna gamitin yung bell.
Ayaw ko gamitin na yung bell.
Nang biglang umilaw yung isang ghost ball. At ang ibig sabihin niyan ay may gumalaw sa kanya.
Holy shit, okay. Familiar ka ba dito sa ball?
Hindi ko alam. Ano to?
So, kasi ito... Oh shit, that's a mansion? I think we need to start.
Aduh, bising makan aja.
We need to start. So, let's start by saying our names first. Watashi wa Zach desu. First of
Pasti banget namanya gua.
all, we're not here to bring harm. We're here just to know about the history of this place.
私たちは、害を及ぼすために来てるわけではなくて、この場所のその歴史を知るために来てるだけです。
Is there a spirit with us right now?
ここに今霊いますか？
At maya-maya lang,
Apakah di sini ada hantu? Tapi dia bisa bahasa Filipina loh, tapi orang Jepang loh.
But let me... Shit. So it says yes here.
I think yes.
Oke, yes, no. Menarik sih alonnya.
And all of a sudden, this one went off. Yep, so there's a spirit with us right now. Are you the only spirit? And... No. Hindi pa ako tapos. I'm not yet done. Okay, let me finish my question. Are you the only spirit in this tunnel?
このトンネルにいる幽霊はあなただけですか？
It was off again.
It answered no, so it means hindi lang siya yung nag-iisang spirit.
Gak terlalu banyak sebenarnya. Tapi ya nggak cuma satu.
Yep. Do you remember your name?
自分の名前を
That's it. Yes. Are you trying to tell us something important?
this scene is uncut at tingnan nyo ang mga sumunod na nangyari.
言おうとしますか？
So, it's going off again. Is this?
Yes. Shit.
I'm about to ask palang, is this you? Can you see us right now?
私たち見えますか？
Yes, it said yes. You're very accurate. Are you upset that we're here?
私たちがここにいることに腹を立ててますか？
Hindi siya tumitingin.
Yes. This is upset that we're here. Can you stop? Can you stop this red?
それ止めてもらえますか？
What the? Damn.
Okay, cool. Are you the lady in kimono that is rumored to be here?
あなたは着物を着た女性ですか？
Antayan at pakiramdaman dahil gusto namin malaman kung sino ba yung nakakausap namin. What is this?
No.
No.
No? Yes?
It's yes.
Yes.
Yes. Sobrang weird na ng mga nangyayari at alam kong sa mga oras na to ay hindi kami nag-iisa. Guys, look.
Okay.
Can you stop?
止めてください。
She likes it. Oh, this is creepy.
Anak kecil.
Is it okay that we're here?
我々ここにいても大丈夫ですか？
Once again, is it okay that we're here?
我々ここにいても大丈夫ですか？
No. Alright guys, so right now I'm gonna use this Ovilus. So, pwede tayo magtanong dito ng true or false. It can also detect energy. So if something spikes up, ibig sabihin may energy. Siguro mas maganda if we go deep. Kasi dito yung active eh. For the spirit here,
ここに霊はいますか？
did you know that you're dead?
あなたが死んでることを知ってます
Ya tentu aja lah.
か？
Right when it says static, biglang tumunog yun. Kaya pumunta naman kami sa entrance para dito naman mag-investigate. Pero nagsiset up pa lang kami. Biglang tumunog yung REM pod.
It's recording now.
Pengusir aja sih.
Can you stop? From there? Is it okay that we're here?
我々ここにいても大丈夫ですか？
Look what it said.
Ini ngusir dari tadi ngusir nih. Oke. Kiri gua panas bro. Apa ini? Ini pada kipas loh tapi kiri gua makin panas.
Do you want to say something to us?
我々に何か言いたいことありますか？
Wala siyang gusto sabihin. Are you at peace now? Said no. Are you trapped in here?
Ya pada yang gua nggak tahu kenapa ketika yang kata gua panas di samping kiri ini, gue tiba-tiba kayak rasa sedih itu kayak campur aduk gitu dalam hati gue ini. Gue nggak tahu nih apakah dia mau cerita atau gimana, gue nggak tahu ya.
これトラップ知ってますか？
Kita coba di kesimpulan lah ya. Ini bentar aja nih 20 menit.
Say no. Ibig sabihin hindi siya... Wait, he said yes. Are you a good spirit?
あなたは良い霊
Wait,
ですか？
it answered no. Let me confirm. Are you a good spirit?
あなたは良い
Makin panas anjir.
霊ですか？
Sa pangalawang tanong ko, wala nang sumagot. I think he doesn't want to answer anymore because he said yes. Do you want us to pray for you? He said no. He said no. Okay, do you want us to leave?
ここから出たいですか？
He said yes. Very fast and accurate. He wants us to leave. At matapos ang aking tanong, sobrang weird dahil equipment ay nagsimulang magsabi ng yes, no na para may naglalaro. Yes, no, yes. Wait.
Shit, yes, no,
Diba? Yes, no, bigla. No. When I asked the question, do you want us to leave? Biglang yes, and no, and yes, and no. So feeling ko may iba pang spirit na nandito. It said yes. Is there someone trying to play with us?
誰かからかってますか？我々をからかってますか？
Yes. So someone's trying to play with us right now.
Itu anak kecil aja sih, dari tadi mainin itu. Suka banget itu. Tapi beda sama yang kayak perempuan, yang perempuan beda.
Is this the little boy trying to play with us right now? He can play with my device here. It's the little boy.
Dari tadi, anak kecil kan.
Did you die because of the typhoon?
台風の影響で死にましたか？
Did you die because of the water?
死因は水が関係ありますか？
Kaya kinuha ko agad yung isang equipment ko para dito siya makapagsalita. Holy shit. Right after, it's a cave and anything. It is like a cave. Ooh. Right?
いや、なんか
For the little boy, do you want to tell us something?
ちっちゃい男の子は何か
Freeze. I'm freezing. It's cold. Jess. Is Jess your name?
ジェスっていう名前ですか？
Maybe the little boy is telling us how they died. Beware of the flow. Oh shit. Makes sense. Alive, spirit. So it says beware cave, right? Cave, and before it looks like a cave, and there's a flow. So maybe what's happening out here right now? The little boy is trying to tell us about the history of this place. And look what it says. It said yes. Okay, so ang sabi, Jess, yung pangalan niya, flow, beware, probably, alive, spirit. So pagkakaintindi ko dito, unang sinabi, di ba, cave, and freezing. So I think the reason kung ba't sinabi yun, is di ba namatay yung mag-ina dito, yung dalawang bata at yung nanay, dahil sa typhoon, natap sila sa loob, yung flow ng tubig, doon sila namatay sila sa pagkalunod. And sabi dito, ang next words is probably alive, spirit, and tilt. So pagkakaintindi ko dito is, there should be probably alive, pero ngayon spirit na lang sila. Look what it said. It confirms. Yes. Oh, sadness. Wait. At dito ako nagulat. Naguluhan kung sino ba talaga ang nakakausap namin. Doesn't sound good. We're not talking with the little boy anymore. Place where you would like to go. I got cigarettes and brandy, which could come and
Oke, udah selesai.
help me loosen
Setengah-setengah banget ya.
my hand grenades.
Oke, kita lanjut karena kayaknya terlalu setengah ya yang tadi ya. Agak heran sih. Viewsnya cuma dikit, cuma 800.000. Sedangkan yang ini sampai 3 juta. Kita coba ke terowongan selanjutnya. Dan ini kayaknya lebih serem harusnya ya. Karena kayak setengah-setengah gitu anjir, lalu kepotong gitu. Kita tes guys ya.
The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Up came the sun and dried up all the rain. The itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again.
Is there any spirits here with us right now? Yo, it's going crazy. Whoa, dude.
Does it come?
This is suspicious, bro. Why are they backing up through this?
You good, bro?
Dude, it's so creepy. Oh my god!
The bitsy spider went up the spout again.
Tolong jangan nonton sendirian ya. Gue sendiri kenapa emang ya?
This is Kiyotaki Tunnel. Dati ito
Oh, Kiyotaki Tunnel. Terowongan
ang daanan
Kiyotaki.
ng tren na naitayo taong 1927 at natapos taong 1928. And this tunnel is almost 444 meters long. At ang mga gumawa ng tunnel na to ay mga slaves, na kung ibig sabihin mga empleyado pero hindi sila binabayaran. Kahit pagod na sila o may naaaksidente pa, ay kailangan pa rin nilang ituloy ang kanilang ginagawa. Karamihan sa mga trabahador ay nagkasakit at yung iba ay dito pa sila mismo namatay. And the most creepy part is, many years ago, may babaeng nagpakamatay sa tunnel na to. At magpasa hanggang ngayon, ay nakita pa rin nila ang multo ng babae na pag-alagala.
Oh, Kyoto.
Okay guys, so medyo nakakatakot pupuntahan namin ngayon. One of the most haunted tunnel dito sa Japan.
To be honest, sobrang chill lang namin ng gabing to at wala kaming na-expect na kahit ano.
I feel good, actually.
We saw shit last night, and now I feel like I'm gonna see shit again in this tunnel.
Hindi namin namalayan yung biyahe namin. Ang bilis rin kasi dahil walang traffic. At maya-maya lang,
Okay guys, so nandito na kami. Yeah, you can go.
tumawid kami sa kabila dahil doon kami magsisimula. Medyo mahaba-haba ang tunnel at pagdating,
Grabe, sobrang dilim guys. Ayun yung tunnel.
lumapit na ako para pumasok at explorein ang loob ng tunnel.
Dito sa gilid merong river. Grabe, sobrang lamig dito ngayon. 17 degrees. Stoplight.
May stoplight sa pasukan at labasan ng tunnel para maiwasan ang aksidente. Naglalakad kami papunta sa lokasyon na madalas nakikita nakatayo ang isang babae nang biglang may marinig kaming isang ugong ng paparating na sasakyan. Dali-dali kaming tumabi dahil base sa tunog ay para bang napakalaki na sasakyan at napakabilis ng takbo niya. Pero hindi. Ang
Kecil anjir.
dahilan sa malakas na tunog ay dahil kulob ang tunnel. Napakakitid lang ng tunnel na to, pero napakahaba at talagang maeko sa loob. Meron ding ilaw para sa mga dumadaan. Meron rin itong mga markings at maya-maya lang narating na namin ang lugar kung saan may nagtagong babae at biglang lumabas nang marinig na ang sasakyan at doon siya nasagasaan. Hindi na kami nagpatumpik-tumpik pa at sinimulan na ang investigation.
Is there any spirits here with us right now?
This is Uncut. Nagsimula nang magtanong si Steve at nang damputin ko na ang camera para itutok saan na dito, ito ang nangyari.
That's what I heard too. It's going crazy.
Hindi pa kami masyadong nagtatanong, pero yung nangyayari sa REM pad ay hindi na namin maintindihan. Meron kung anong nadedetect siya at sa ganitong kaso, malapit ito sa kanya. Ayaw talagang tumigil hanggang sa may isang tanong na itinanong si Steve.
Can you step away?
Saka kamu jauh.
Pero ilang segundo lang tumunog na naman ito ng tumunog.
I never seen it go off this crazy.
Yeah.
Ayaw tumigil ng REM pad sa pagtunog hanggang sa mamaya may napansin kaming paparating. Really?
Lebih takut manusia kan daripada hantu polisi itu.
We should get in the car, drive down and back.
We might get deported if they caught us, bro.
Sinubukan naming tingnan kung nandun pa ba ang nakita naming pulis. Nagsasakyan na rin kami para hindi kami mahalata. Pero wala kaming nakitang pulis paglabas namin ng tunnel.
He wasn't from the tunnel. He was right in front of the tunnel. Here. Yeah.
Kaya bumalik kami na makita naming wala na rito ang mga pulis.
Because the hill. It was the hill. You could only see the top.
Pero isang palaisipan kung bakit hindi tumuloy kung pulis man sila.
Maybe they see us suspicious, is this why they turn around?
Yeah.
Because when we saw them, we ran, right?
Yeah.
And they were like thinking, oh, why is this guy running?
At habang nag-aantay ng green light, may dumating na sasakyan at sobrang suspicious talaga nila.
It's just a red car.
Wait. They're parking.
Pansinin nyo kung paano siya mag-drive.
Bro, they're probably so scared to go through this tunnel. No.
Atras abante at halatang hindi mapakali ang driver ng sasakyan.
Ngapain anjir?
At lahat kami kinabahan nang bigla niyang buksan ng pinto.
This is suspicious, bro.
Sa part na to meron siyang sinabi pero hindi narinig ng camera. At nang umandar siya, kumaripas na kami ng takbo.
So yun ang nakakatakot. Yung mga ganun. Kasi hindi mo alam kung saan mo ma-encounter yun eh. Let's do it again.
Kalian rame kok, harusnya nggak takut.
Bumalik kami para ituloy sana ang investigation. Pero pagbaba namin, narinig namin yung tunog ng sports car na paparating.
The lights! Wait. Duck. Dude, they're looking for us.
Lah,
Huminto siya sa harapan namin bago tuluyan dumiretso. Buti na lang walang tao sa loob ng kotse.
Fuck that. Guys, they were looking for us. Yeah. Let's get out of here. Yo, just hop inside the car. Hop inside the car, guys.
Dali-dali kami pumasok sa loob para sana umalis na.
So guys, hinahanap kami ng mga nakakotse na pula.
No, I think we should just wait just a second. And if they pull up again, we drive away.
Oh no, they can't. I think they're just trying to get us out of here.
I don't think so.
Why would they just stop?
What are they looking for? They're not even in the tunnel at that point.
Nag-uusap-usap kami dahil hindi na namin maintindihan ang buong nangyayari. At bigla kaming nagulat nang makita na naman namin siyang pabalik.
They knew.
Oh, guys, turn your lights off.
That's him. Yeah.
That's him.
bolak-balik anjir.
That's him.
Car, dude.
That's him. Yeah, he's trying to find us, bro.
No.
He's trying to find us, bro.
No, I don't know. Maybe he's a drifter. Or he's drifting. I don't know. Drifting. Kind of true.
Yo, let's get out of here, bro.
Dude, what's he doing? I think he's like looking for us.
Lumabas kami para magpalipad ng drone sa loob ng tunnel. Ang operator ng drone na to ay si Rich, isang professional drone pilot. Ang plano, makatawid hanggang dulo. Pero malapit na sana sa end nang biglang magloko at parang may humahatak pa kanan sa drone.
Waduh.
Kaagad siyang bumalik kasi baka mamaya biglang bumagsak ang drone. Malapit na sana siyang makabalik nang biglang mawalan ito ng kontrol.
Nice.
Drone turned to the side as if I was moving it to the side, right? To dodge the thing.
Yeah.
But then it just like hit it and it felt like it dragged it. You know what I mean?
Whoa. Okay.
Like you have to look at the
And
footage.
there's
when
no
we get back.
wind, dude. Yeah,
There's no wind. There's no wind.
I'm so
Kemana ada angin kayak gitu anjir.
crazy. Well, at least it's a
So guys, nag-FPV si Rich sa loob ng tunnel. Pero ang nangyari, nawalan siya ng kontrol.
dude. Is it because the ghost would have been on camera?
Bro, yes, it's cutting our signals. It's cutting our recording.
Okay guys, so makikita niyo yung buong clip kay Rich. He has a YouTube channel,
Blah, blah,
guys.
blah, blah, blah.
So yan.
Nire-review namin yung footage dahil hindi pa rin kami makamove on sa pag-crash ng drone. Nang biglang may marinig na naman kaming paparating na nanggagaling sa tunnel.
It's just like a news crew.
What the fuck?
They definitely just have. They're just like.
What is
Sa
that?
puntong to, medyo kinakabahan kami. Kasi baka mamaya yung pulang kotse na naman.
Ay, motorcycle.
Nakahinga kami ng maluwag nung makita
Oo.
naming hindi kotse.
Naman ni ate.
Hindi mga kabataang nakamotor ang dumating.
Kambawa!
Oh, halo.
Mababait naman yung mga dumating. Nakipagkilala kami at may tinuro silang direksyon na doon daw may nagpapakita talagang multo.
Yeah, ghost. Ghost.
Mirror.
Error.
Okay.
Acha.
Alright, here.
Ada satu lupa sensor.
Okay.
Tadi.
Kaya nung umalis sila, habang nag-iintro si Steve, sinubukan naming sumilip ni Rich sa sinasabi nilang direksyon.
You good, bro?
Meron siyang sinisilip na kung ano.
What's up? Okay guys, dito may isa pang tunnel. Pupuntahan namin ni Rich yung sinasabi ng mga locals kanina.
Dude, there's no lights here.
At paglapit namin, may aninong parang lumipad sa bandang dulo.
Oh, oke. Oke, itu ada yang lewat. Satunya lari juga. Just see shadow. Kalian cuma tengok bayangan, anjir.
Bro! We saw it, bro! Oh my god!
Wait, turn off auto frame.
We both
What happened?
freaked out the
What the
same.
fuck happened?
Yeah! What?
Did you see?
Gak mungkin pemotor gitu kan, masa? Gak bisa sih.
You guys capture it?
Yeah, bro!
What did you see?
Dude, this is Shadow.
A shadow?
Dude, that's exactly what I saw. We literally, dude, we were up there. We were looking at the mirror, right?
Yeah.
So we found the rear view mirror that the locals were talking about. Yeah. And we were just looking and staring at it.
Just beside it, just beside the mirror?
Right next to the mirror, right behind it.
There's a fucking shadow that went down.
No way, no way.
Dude,
Black shadow just passed by. Dude, that was freaky.
Kaya bumalik kami sa taas para makita kung ano ba talaga yun.
okay guys, so babalikan namin tong tunnel.
Ini keroyokan ya.
So, when did you start to see it? Right here?
Now we were standing here.
Sinubukan namin gumamit ng flashlight at dito na kami nagkaproblema.
Why is my light not working?
Oh, that's not a good sign.
Dude, it's not. What the hell?
What?
Bro, I'm trying to max it out, and literally it's turning low. Like it's not working. Look, there's 3 levels.
Yeah.
1, 2.
Eh,
And it just turns off. It doesn't go to the brightest. I was gonna bright that.
You think it broke it?
I don't know.
Maybe this tunnel
Can I try it?
affecting it.
Yeah, try it. So you have to press this to change the level.
Lowest. 1,
satu.
2.
And guess what? I
Three.
charged this.
No.
Yeah, it was in my bedroom.
Yeah, I saw it. You were charging it all night.
You were using it earlier, right? For the tunnel shots.
Yeah.
In the other tunnel. And it was working fine.
This makes no sense.
Dude, I think whatever's up here is just affecting our batteries.
Lumapit kami sa lugar kung saan may nakita kaming anino kanina.
It's gone, bro. That was the dude. It has no
Wait the hell?
leaves.
Dude, that was legit.
Wait. Do you see that in the mirror?
Oh, I see it moving now.
Is there a black one in the mirror?
Yo.
No, dude, it's gone.
Pagdating namin, magba-Bloody Mary ritual sana kami sa harap ng salamin nang biglang may marinig kaming boses.
Bro, this is like Bloody Mary almost.
Yeah. Anyone on the other side, show yourself.
Terang banget anjir. What?
I heard something.
Oh iya.
I heard a laugh.
I heard something like a woman's laugh.
I heard a laugh.
I heard something like a woman's laugh. Konnichiwa? Are you the white lady? Show yourself.
Pero wala nang nagparamdam matapos ang marinig naming boses. Hindi pa rin namin lubos maisip kung anong natatagong misteryo ng tunnel na to. Simula sa pagtunog ng REM pod, misteryosong nakasasakyan, crash ng drone at shadow na bumaba malapit sa salamin.
Oh my God!
Pero may mga bagay talagang misteryoso at hindi mo matutuklasan ang misteryo nito. Umuwi kaming may tanong sa aming isipan. Gawa ba ito ng mga espiritu? O lahat ng to ay nasa loob lang ng imahinasyon ko? Comment down below what's your thoughts. Please do like the video, and I'm trying to reach 2 million before the year ends. Always stay safe and always remember, be limitless.
Oke. Selesai. Oke, sekarang barulah kita menyimpulkan dari 2 video. Oke guys, udah selesai. Jadi kita coba kita dari tadi ya. Jadi video pertama itu membuat sini gua itu panas, yang video kedua buat pegel. Gue nggak tahu kenapa di samping kiri gue ini guys. Nah, jadi yang pertama itu di Isegami Toyota Aichi Jepang guys. Di situ itu yang gua lihat, dan kalian bisa bedain ya. Ya karena alat yang dia bawa itu lumayan lebih banyak ya, karena itu videonya lebih baru gitu. Dan banyak interaksi istilahnya entitas itu dengan alat-alatnya itu. Sedangkan di video yang kedua yang rame yang nonton sampai 3 juta di Kiyotaki Kyoto itu karena cuma satu alat jadi nggak terlalu interaksinya banyak, tapi lumayan ngidupin gitu. Nah cuma yang gue tangkap nih guys, gue malah seperti yang gue ada sebutin ya, gue ada spill di video. Jadi lebih ke apa ya, aura sedih guys. Jadi sama aja gitu. Video pertama, video kedua sama. Yang gue tangkap itu yang video pertama itu yang cewek yang kayak dua keluarga ya, satu ibunya satu anaknya. Nah yang anaknya itu yang lebih sering untuk mainin alat-alat atau interaksi bersama Zarkaro itu. Dan yang gue tangkap mereka kayak gak mau terusik juga gitu dengan istilahnya gangguan atau misalnya orang yang kayak mau uji nyali gitu. Mereka nggak suka, sangat nggak suka. Malahan kalau misalnya istilahnya orangnya itu penakut, harusnya dengan dia bermain dengan alat itu harusnya mereka itu lari. Sedangkan ya ini kan gimana ya, ini memang buat konten ya, jadi ya memang mencari hal-hal kayak gitu. Cuma yang gue tangkap itu bentar, ibunya itu ada cerita sedihnya lah, ada backlight yang apa ya, kayak lumayan gelap guys tentang keluarganya, karena kan yang meninggal itu kan cuma istri sama anaknya aja, bapaknya mana. Agak sedih gitu sebenarnya kehidupannya itu, kayak ya lumayan kayak bukan disiksa tapi kayak nggak diduliin gitu pada saat mereka berkeluarga gitu. Makanya gue juga bingung tuh, mereka itu agak sedih juga, ada sedih dan bersyukur juga gitu. Sedihnya karena lumayan yang gue tangkap itu kayak ketika mereka ninggal itu kayak ya tersisa banget gitu guys. Cuma ketika udah mendekati ajalnya yang gue tangkap itu kayak ya gak apa-apa lah gue mati sekarang, yang penting gue nggak ketemu lagi sama suami gue gitu. Itu yang gue tangkap gitu. Jadi agak sad gitu, agak sedih gitu cerita yang gue tangkap di Isegami gitu. Meskipun ya viewsnya cuma sedikit ya guys, karena itu agak setengah gitu. Terus di Kiyotaki nih yang di Kyoto itu gue malah ya sesuai kata gue, nampaknya kita lebih, atau orang-orang horor itu lebih takut dengan entitas yang manusianya. Lihat, dia berlari gara-gara manusia semuanya. Cuma ya lumayan agak ada penampakan lah ya daripada yang video pertama. Kayak ada bayangan, dan itu benar-benar jelas sih bayangan itu yang gue lihat, itu hitamnya itu lewatnya. Dan pas lagi siapa yang pakai motor itu bilang itu di sana tuh, gue ngeliat gitu. Gue malah kayak ada unsur sengajanya gitu, kayak tapi nggak mungkin kan, ini kan terowongan atas bawah, nggak mungkin secepat itu pindah ke terowongan satunya untuk menakutin gitu. Tapi siapa tahu, kita nggak tahu lah ya. Dan untuk yang di Kiyotaki ya, itu lumayan sedihnya lebih ke mengenaskan gitu. Cuma untungnya ya meskipun ya alatnya itu menangkap kayak ada devil atau demon atau iblis atau apalah itu, cuma alhamdulillah yang nggak ada sih, nggak ada kayak bersenggolan gitu. Dan mereka itu cuma kayak kejebak di suatu tempat dan mau nggak mau, suka nggak suka, mereka tetap di situ gitu. Nah, kurang lebih kayak gitu sih. Kita malah dapat kesedihan ya guys ya di video ini. Ada seramnya juga, tapi ya, ada seramnya. Sampai ada yang ngikutin yang mobil merah itu, anjir. Ngapain coba anjir lah. Mungkin punya niat baik, kita positive thinking aja. Mungkin hati-hati di sana ini kita. Well, we don't know. Oke. Mungkin itu aja guys video kali ini dengan Zakar Vlogs. Gue Auzan dari Om Yoji, pamit undur diri. Dan ini pas ada Hari Raya Idul Adha. Jadi selamat Hari Raya Idul Adha, minal aidin wal faizin. Gue Auzan dari Om Yoji Team, pamit undur diri and stay calm.